Welcome to our channel. A personal line of credit from PNC provides flexible access to funds when you need them, with interest only on what you use. Follow these step-by-step instructions to apply. Step 1. Understand how a personal line of credit works. It's a revolving credit account that lets you borrow up to a certain limit and repay it over time. Step 2. Check PNC's eligibility requirements, which typically include good to excellent credit, usually a score of 680 or higher, and stable income. Step 3. Gather the necessary documents including proof of income, pay stubs, tax returns or bank statements, valid government-issued ID, and proof of residence. Step 4. Calculate how much credit you need based on your financial goals and ability to repay, keeping in mind that PNC typically offers lines of credit from $1,000 to $35,000. Step 5. Visit the PNC website at www.pnc.com and navigate to the Personal Banking section, then click on Personal Loans and Lines of Credit. Step 6. Select Personal Line of Credit and click Apply Now to start your online application. Step 7. Alternatively, visit a PNC branch in person to speak with a banker who can guide you through the application process. Step 8. Complete the application by providing your personal information, employment details, income, existing debts, and the amount of credit you're requesting. Step 9. Review the terms including the interest rate, fees, and repayment options before submitting your application. Step 10. Submit your application and wait for PNC to review it, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days for a decision. Step 11. If approved, review the credit agreement carefully and sign it to activate your line of credit. Step 12. Once active, access your line of credit through transfers to your checking account, checks provided by PNC, or online banking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.